Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and this recipe is how to grill onions. You grill onions for sandwiches, hamburgers, steak, just on top of anything you want to put the grilled onions on. So I'm going to show you how you grill an onion, but I always like to get the white big onions. The white big onions are so good. Now you can get the sweet onions, the onions that has a sweet taste. It would be wonderful. But I always get the plain white onions because I'm used to them. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. You have to cut it up in circles, and I'll be right back and show you how to do that. Okay, you cut them in circles, and when you cut them in circles, you can do them just like this. Make sure you cut them in circles, and then you cut them out in little circles like that. See that will make some easy to put on your hamburger, easy to put on your baked potato, easy to put on your steak by doing them in circles like that. So this could be cut in a little circle too, just like that. And then you grill them. But I like to use olive oil, or I like to use canola oil because butter has a tendency to scorch them. But you want them to be kind of not too scorched because you're going to want that really good taste in the onions. So you just use just black pepper and salt, and you use canola oil to saute them on this stove. I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second. All right, I got them in the canola oil. I add black pepper and salt, and I'm grilling them just like this. You want to be careful with them. You don't want to burn them. You just want them to grill. And as they grill, they get brown. See how brown that beautiful is? That's what you want. This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating, and thank you for coming to my channel and look at the recipes I show you how to do. Now you grill them is what you grill them on the texture you want. If you want them a light texture, you don't have to grill them all the way. If you want them to be real done, you can grill them all the way. But I like mine about like this. I like the crunch in mine. But so you can grill them just like this. Just turn them over and look at that. Ain't that beautiful? Ooh, they are so beautiful. And they are grilled, and you put them on a hot dog or hamburger, steaks, whatever you like. You do that, and you put your seasoning you like. If you like thyme in them, put thyme in there. If you like more garlic, put garlic with them. Just put anything you want with your recipe. That's what a recipe for. This is what comes with a recipe. Whatever you put in there that you like, any seasons. That's what it's all about. This channel will tell you happy eating, and thank you for coming to my channel and looking at these wonderful things on how to grill some onions for your sandwiches, for your steak, and for your dishes. And don't forget to go to soulfoodqueen.net and look at recipes you might have not seen or maybe you want to try.